Hey guys, it's Moneybags here with
Moneybags Senior.
And today, before we start the video, I just want to give a quick little announcement. As you can see, Daddy, you are now a moderator on my channel.
Cool.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw the video we just posted on his channel where we show off who his moderators are, but yeah, we're moderators for each other.
Cool.
So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Now let's get into the video. Okay, today Daddy is gonna be playing Will You Press the Button? So, first question. You are given the ability to cure wounds, illness, and death if you should see fit. But by doing so, you take on the malady yourself for a few days, but you will eventually recover, even if it means coming back from the dead. Daddy, will you press the button?
Yes, I will.
Ayy. Let's see what the mass majority says.
Did it press it?
Yeah, you did. It's loading. Oh! 80% of people pressed it. Only 20% didn't. That's good.
Yeah, buddy.
And you're on the majority.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's go on to the next one. Next question, Daddy. You lose weight and receive $5,000 for every pound lost. But you always have to carry dirty socks in your mouth. You're shook. You're shook.
Yeah,
Oh, is he gonna press it? Is he gonna press? Oh. He pressed it. He pressed it.
That means I can take care of you better. Help mommy take care of you better.
He pressed it. Get off of the screen. 71% did not press the button, and you did.
Oh, I'm definitely not with the majority on that one, am I?
Nope. Next question.
Go ahead.
Next question. You can get away with absolutely any lie, but you will never be able to tell if someone is lying to you. Will you press it? Will you press? Yep. We're not pressing it this time. We are not pressing the button this time. Right?
Right.
We're not pressing it. We're not pressing it. Let's see what the majority says. We're not. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What is he gonna say? What's he gonna say? What's it gonna say? What's he gonna say? Come on, tell me. What's he gonna say? Okay. Ooh, 55% pressed it, but 45 did not.
That's almost 50-50.
I know, that's insane. Next question. Next question. You become the most skilled artist known to mankind, but your art is unable to be filmed or photographed. Thus, you never become famous.
Yeah, I do that.
Oh boy, he's pressing it.
I pressed a little too many buttons on that one.
Yeah, I think you did. All right, here we go. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Let's see. Okay, there it goes. 54 pressed it, but 46 did not.
Right.
All right. Another 50-50.
Yeah, almost.
Next question.
It's all right.
Next question. You are immortal and can go to any time in your life you want, even if you haven't lived it. But no one can see you, hear you, or notice you. You can't do anything. I will. Is he pressing it? He's shook. He has decided he's not gonna press the button. Let's see if the mass majority agrees with you or not. Drum roll, please.
Someone put cough, Jack Frost, cough.
Yeah, they did. I don't think it went. I will not. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. %58 did not press it. 42% did.
That's close too.
I know. All these close ones.
Right?
Next question. Next question. You will be able to read people's minds, but only the thoughts they have about you. Are you gonna press it? Oh, he pressed it! He pressed it!
I'm definitely gonna press it on that one.
He
I want
pressed.
to know what people think about me.
I think you're a very nice dad.
Oh, thank you, Bubby. I think you're a very nice son.
Aww. 83% pressed it. 17 did not. Wow.
That's
We
odd.
both jinx.
Right?
Next question. Final question of the night. You get to perform on Broadway, but the show you are in is a huge flop. Oh, is he pressing it? Is he pressing it? He's okay. He will not. He doesn't want to perform on Broadway if it means it's bad.
I don't want to perform on Broadway, period. Bad or good, I don't want to perform.
Yes.
Nathan,
Yes.
we have some leftover meatballs from Sunday. Do you want some meatball sandwich?
I'm all right, thank you.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Here we go. All right.
Yeah.
Is it going?
You want to get a shower?
It should be going.
Yeah, it should be. It's probably just taking a second, Bubby. It's all right.
All right, I'm pressing it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Hang on a second, people. Oh, here he goes. Let's see if the mass majority agrees with you or not.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry about that. All right, 33% pressed the button, while 67 did not. And that is the end of the video. Link to Daddy's channel will be in the description. And until next time, this is Moneybags and Moneybags Senior saying goodbye.